This video will show you how to attach your rain barrel to the downspout on your home using an earth-minded kit after you have attended one of the H2O Hero rain barrel workshops. Before starting, make sure you have safety glasses, gloves, an electric drill, measuring tape, a pencil, and a small Phillips screwdriver. Before starting, you will need to choose a downspout that is near the plants or garden beds to be watered and is rectangular and at least 2x3 or 3x4 in size. If your barrel does not already have a hole drilled on the top of it, then you will need to mark and drill where the fill hose will be connected to the rain barrel. The center of the connecting hole should be 3 inches from the top of the barrel. Be sure to use the 1 1/4 inch hole saw as provided. It is important to know exactly where the rain barrel will be placed before drilling this hole. The next step is to locate where to drill the hole in the downspout. The diverter will be inserted into this hole. The hole must be the right height for the diverter to work. The hole needs to be level with the rain barrel or slightly raised above it. If the hole is below the rain barrel, it will not work. The hole should be located in the center of the downspout as shown. Drill the hole into the downspout using the 2 1/8 inch hole saw. The center of the hole should align with the center of the downspout. Take caution during the step and do not apply too much pressure to the drill. Insert the diverter into the hole in the downspout by squeezing the sides and pushing the diverter straight into the downspout. If you look carefully, you will see an arrow on the diverter just below the top of the screw hole. Make sure the arrow is pointing up when you insert it. Otherwise, water will not be diverted into your rain barrel. Use the 2 self-tapping screws to attach the diverter to the top and bottom of the downspout. Finally, connect the fill hose to the cuff end of the diverter and connect the other end to the barrel. Your rain barrel is now ready to go. All you need now is rain.